Namaskar.
I am Dr. Rishikesh Devnath, specialities in medical and spiritual astrology. Today I am going to disclose about one of the most important topics in Vedic astrology. The topic is very interesting and informative as well. Before that, I like to thank all beloved viewers and subscribers of the channel. Really, I am indebted to your continuous and consistent support. Now I am going to share about the video. Yes, very important topic. That is the vital organ, the heart. I shall try to cover the possibilities of heart and allied diseases astrologically and medically, about cardiovascular systems, circulatory systems, blood pressure, heart attack, myocardial infarction, and the common symptoms of heart attack. And towards the end of this video, the effective and proved remedial measures of heart diseases and also multiple options for healthy heart. Therefore, please stay tuned with me until the end of this video, please. You know the most beauty of astrological science over other sciences, that through medical astrology we can predict the roadmap of life, the types of disease, that is diagnosis of disease in advance, and the organs affected by disease, so that the native can take care of those organs to prevent the severity of disease in advance. From the medical astrological view, there are so many combinations of houses, planets causing heart or heart-related disease in general. Generally, 4th and 5th house of zodiac circle, that is Kalpurusha Kundli, that is Cancer sign and Leo sign. Then the Cancer and Leo sign are the significator of right side of heart, whereas the left side of heart corresponds to Capricorn sign and Aquarius sign. Therefore, the afflictions of 4th and 5th house or sign or house lord by malefic planets like Mars, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu, and at the same time connected with the 6th, 8th and 12th house or house lord, mainly significations of heart and heart related disease. And the lord of Cancer sign and Leo sign, that is moon and the sun. The moon and the sun afflicted by malefic planets, connection with the 6th, 8th and 12th house or house lord, prone to heart diseases. Likewise, afflictions of Capricorn sign, Makar Rashi and Aquarius sign by malefic planet and connection with the 6th, 8th, 12th house and house lord denotes the possibilities of heart and heart related disease in general. However, timings and severity of disease will depend on strength of Varga chart, Dasha Antardasha of malefic planet and transit thereof. So there are so many possibilities of heart disease in general. Now let's come to know what's the heart, the vital organ, and how it works. Yes, heart is the most vital organ of the body, the pump house of the circulatory system. The pump house of circulatory system, the transportation system in the body, the vascular system along with lymphatic system known as circulatory system. The main transport system of the body, the blood flows from higher pressure to lower pressure. The pressure is created by heart by contraction. During the ventricular contraction, blood flows out. During the ventricular contraction, blood flows from heart and the valves connecting to atrium and ventricle open or close according to the pressure gradient. Here the oxygenated blood flows to the body organ through coronary artery, next arterioles, and then capillaries. And the deoxygenated blood collected from the body organs by venues to vein and finally returned to heart by vena cava. For this vital function, there are 4 valves performs the circulation of blood. That is tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, aortic valve, and bicuspid valve. The blood pressure is the lateral pressure exerted by circulating blood on the blood vessels. Contraction of heart. The maximum pressure by contraction of heart is called systolic pressure, whereas the minimum pressure by relaxation of heart is called diastolic pressure. And we know the normal pressure for an adult should be 120 by 80 millimeter of mercury. And hence the pulse pressure is the difference between systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. Now the most important and vital topic to discuss here. Due to deposition of cholesterol or other pathogenic substances, blood vessel prone to block and narrow by plaque. That signifies the fatal condition of heart disease that may develop coronary heart disease, angina pectoris, arteriosclerosis, acute coronary syndrome, heart failure, heart attack, sudden cardiac arrest, even myocardial infarction, that is MI. The common symptoms of heart attack are blood pressure fluctuation, heaviness and pain in chest. Pain may spread to shoulder, back, abdomen and arms. Shortness of breathing, fatigue, cold sweat and uneven heartbeat. Therefore, friends, to avoid unexpected situation to make the heart healthy, for healthy heart, try to control on cholesterol, blood pressure, obesity, unhealthy foods, addiction, stress and depression. For this end in view, I am furnishing some proved methods for a healthy heart. Multiple proved methods for healthy heart. You may choose from this multiple method as per your choice and suitability. Light exercises, walking pranayam, asana, mudra, deep breathing, balanced diet, balanced food, balanced nutrition and antioxidant. Foods with antioxidant lycopene, veg omega and oryzanol. Yes, the gamma oryzanol, a miracle product from nature from rice bran without side effect. No doubt, gamma oryzanol is a boon of nature for healthy heart. Not only healthy heart, not only the heart. A number of scientific studies have shown that gamma oryzanol provides numerous physiological benefits. It can control cholesterol, obesity, blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, and chronic diseases, and many more. For detailed guidelines, please WhatsApp 9433635566. So friends, I have discussed the details of the video class so far and hope you will be equally benefited from this short discussion. At the same time, I promise to come up with more and more interesting videos and informative videos in next time. And lastly, please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video class. and subscribe the channel for next video upload information please. See you soon. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Maharashtra.